is Tanbir, right?
Exactly, it's an easy name to pronounce. Are you a
Mm-hmm.
student? It looks like.
Yeah, I am a student at college. I'm in sixth semester right now. How about you?
Is this college or university?
University. I'm in
Exactly.
university.
What's your major?
My major, education elementary school.
Oh, that's awesome. My name is Tanvir. I'm
Mm.
from Bangladesh. Uh, Actually, I'm studying at the university. I finished 3 years. I'm like we are batchmate, if I'm not wrong. You are
Mm.
now semester. Yeah, I finished just 3 years and I'm also right now seven semester. If I think you have almost 8 semesters for 4 years, if I'm not wrong.
Mm. I
My
see. I see.
major is management.
Oh, management. I have management. So, do you have in your country? Do you have like any internship in sixth semester?
Exactly. I
Like
have, yeah, I
internship
have this
to village.
opportunity for internship. Uh, exactly. I did my internship maybe 2 years ago after COVID. I used to work with different kind of organization like career
Mm-hmm.
development organization, social organization, and
Mm-hmm.
leadership. This kind of thing, which related most important for as a student, and which also related with my background, with my major,
Mm-hmm.
which will help me to get uh, something done.
So in my country, like especially in my university, we have like internship in sixth semester, and
Is
my
this
major is education. My major is education elementary school, and my friend, ma- her major is management. So we're like mix together in one house. So
oh
right now,
you
yeah,
are doing
right now,
internship together?
yeah, together, yeah, right
Which
now
institution?
we,
Like, is this your own institution, or it's a different institution, different environment,
yeah,
different
it's like
workplace?
it's different, but we live in one house. So my friend is major management major, and he and them go to
He,
like
it's not he.
village.
Your
What?
friend, he or she?
Yeah, there's three boy
She.
and
Oh,
three
okay,
boy
boss.
and two
Please.
girl. So them, yeah. So
Okay.
we live in one house. We live in one house. So like three boy and 12 girl. So we live so many. You can see there's a lot of clothes right here. There's
You are
clothes.
staying at your hostel or something like that. You are.
Yeah,
Oh, that's awesome.
yeah.
Okay.
We're together. We're living together, and
What's your plan with English?
my
Especially,
plan. Oh, mm, I like this question. So I'm planning to, if I had my degree, I want to go to study abroad to get my master degree by scholarship.
that's good.
Mm.
You want to masters. Oh, that's good. Okay, after graduation, you were planning for job or higher study.
No, and I don't have like planning. I is planning to get the to
Scholarship.
scholarship to continue my master degree.
Okay, then you have to sit for IELTS or
Yeah,
oh, that's awesome.
yeah. How about
Oh,
you? How about you?
yeah, I don't have plan to move abroad, but
Mm-hmm.
I'm not focusing about my English because it's my passion. I really love to learn, and yeah, I have some skills about how to teach people. I think maybe I'm
Mm-hmm.
gonna study it, grab it. After that, I will try to use English for my coming days, and in future when I will feel let's take a degree from you know from abroad, then I think it will be okay for me. You are planning for abroad, and I think you are a good student. You have the good CGPA, and I also have CGPA, but I don't have the kind of situation planning for abroad. You are thinking about a scholarship. If I have the 100%, then it's okay for it's okay. But if you have to invest money for a number of money, then it's need the support from your family. You know, currently I don't have the that much support maybe, but if I'll feel okay, why not? I'm capable about this. I'll try. I must
You
try.
know, that's why I tell you that I want to get my master degree by scholarship because I don't have the opportunity to from my parents to get my master degree from my parents' money. I don't have that. So that's why I have to get scholarship from the government Indonesia. So that's why, yeah, I learn English.